We're just going to, I've just got a brand new present, it's my birthday today. And I just thought I'd do a nice little unboxing video of the Dji Mini 2. This is the Fly More combo, which I think is probably worth that little bit extra because you get the nice case and the extra batteries, spare propellers. 249 grams. Yeah, so it meets the new guidelines, so you can fly it basically without any kind of certificates. Just need your operator ID. I don't think you need to have an actual ID on the drone itself like I did with my old drone. But yeah, let's open it up. Don't want to scratch anything. So I'm really just hoping to use this kind of like in smaller areas, maybe even indoor. I think if you got really nifty with it, you could use it indoor. Oh, look at this. They're kind of, it's very kind of Apple, isn't it, their design? It's very minimal and white. Kind of like that. But this is tiny. If you look at my hand, like the box is literally the size of my hand. So, ooh. Okay. So wow, okay, it all comes in the bag. That's an interesting touch. There's the other side of the box there. Some details on the side. Just look at the specs quickly. Here it's 31-minute max flight time, so with 3 batteries, that's well over an hour. Good video transmission, so you're not ever going to lose touch of it with your iPhone. It's wind resistant, very good wind resistance, which is nice. And it's 4K, which is the difference between this and the Mini 1, I think, which didn't have 4K. And it has lots of presets, which does nice automatic shots. Put that over there. So this is wicked, this bag. So this is what I really wanted to get the Fly More, because it comes with this nice little bag. You just fit that in your rucksack or wherever if you're going abroad, flying away. It's going to be so nice. Oh, it's so plush. So it's, look, that's a water resistant. Zip as well, which is really nice. So it's not going to get wet. Damn! Look at this. So look, let's just slide out the drone. Oh my god! Look at that. That is literally fits in your hand. Look at that. It's the drone.
Wow.
Look at that. So that's gonna pop off, is it? Like that. There we go. Just a nice little feature. So what does it say here? Oh, okay. So you can use this strap to store the propellers when it's you can use this strap here to store the propellers. I was gonna get this second hand, but it's my birthday. My brother and my parents just were like, because I'm really trying to push this experience and trying to do some more kind of professional filming. They just were like, let's just all put in a bit and we'll get it. That's the casing on the camera. That's the 4K camera. It says 4K on it, if you can just see that, which is nice. So I want to just take the piece off. You've got to be super careful of these propellers because they're very, very flimsy. Very, very thin compared to my GoPro drone. So unfold the arms forward, is what it says here. And then unfold the rear arms downwards, which is obviously it's like that. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. So I'm going to put that on charge in a minute. So let's just, so we got a foot. So these actually, these actually come down like that rather than out like the other ones. So that comes out, and so does this one. So that's the drone. Look, in its full form there. Move that back. So really, really nifty and small. You can probably land that in your hand, no bother at all. So nice, okay. So we've got the little strap holder, which is nice, and that. Let's go back into the bag and see what else we've got. So a nice little accessories box here. Oh, this is all so nicely neat. I think it is, to be honest, because you can pick one of these up for about Flymore for probably about 450, 400 on like Facebook Marketplace, but just to have it brand new with everything all plush is so nice. Look, you get a nice battery charger there, which loads, so you can charge. I'm guessing that means you can charge 3 batteries at once. So yeah, you just do the little toggle and you can slide that out. I mean, I've never even had a DJI drone before, so this is just me working out with you here, and it's really easy to use. That's like reminds me of an old like PS1 like memory card slot. But nice. Put that down. So you got an English, what is that, 12 volt plug, an adapter, so you can, that's probably going to be nice quick charge times. This, I believe from my research, will be the USB, the cable for your phone, so when you connect it up, so you can put that on the controller. And there's a USB-C one as well. I guess one for the charger, one for the phone. That looks like a longer USB-C charger, maybe for the charger. Maybe something else in here. No, that's all of that in there in that box. Nice little accessories box. Put that back in the actual box. Let's get the controller out. So this is the controller. It's got a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel like too flimsy. It weighs a lot more than the drone. Oh wow, that's nice. That's really neat. That looks really good. Again, that classic kind of PlayStation vibe. But yeah, that feels like. Again, that's a size comparison there. I'll put it next to the. So yeah, you've got the sport mode, normal mode, cine mode, and I guess that is your landing function there on, and then I'm just going to connect the things here. So let's get back into the bag. So that's the bag empty there. So you've got a really nice strap on the bag, which is going to elongate out. So you can wear that kind of around your shoulder if you wanted to, I imagine. So here's the start guide, which I probably should have opened first, but it looks like we've done quite well there, just going through it. So this is the manual. So I'm going to get the DJI Fly app and download all of that. And go through it, and that's just very simple. Again, I'll go through all this in another video, or I'll insert the quick setup clip. I will get DJI support as well. I think that's important. How's that going to focus? No, I'm going to get DJI support as well, which is this here, just because I mean a lot of people I've read have lost theirs or whatever, so it's definitely worth getting it. Also more manuals, but I'm guessing, oh wow, so that's the holder for your iPhone, and then you've got the cables in here which come out, so that just rests. So we need to find the aerials, which these look like the, oh, they've neatly flushed those in there. So these are the screws for the joysticks. Again, everything's got a nice little place. Nice, they've got the kind of rigid ends of the tips, which is quite nice. I think there must be some sort of So I think that's just to make sure that all your movements are nice and secure. Nice, so it's got that kind of ridge, like almost feels like a hexagon rather than on a circle. I'm not, that must be for some sort of more guided control. I don't think there's a tip, that's not that sharp on your fingers, but it feels good. That's that. So that's everything in the box, which is really nice.